Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's 8th of January, Wednesday, and the news have been out. All the data have been out today. And let's see what else we have today. I think it's FOMC. Not FOMC, yeah, I think it's at 8 p.m. So we are good today. So let's start with Dow Jones. Um, so what happened today is the market was trying to recover from London Open, but oh wait, let me figure this out. Yeah, the market was trying to recover from London Open, but it got rejected from this level, which is 42,940. I'm going to delete all the drawings from before and we'll do the fresh markup. So on the weekly basis, we can see the price is still at the support level. That's something around here. In the daily time frame, the price is at the support level as well. And the price is trying to maintain this order block here, which was in 4 hours as well. I will just refine the chart in a while. So you can see the price has been rejecting from this level. In 4 hours you can see that the price is rejecting from the imbalance zone, which is here, and overall you can see the price is on a downtrend. So let's see what's going on in the structure, in the market structure. The structure is maintained here. The main structure has been maintained here. Price tried to break through, but it couldn't. It failed to capitalize above this level, which is the short-term resistance level. And in 4 hours you can see that the price is getting some support here as well on this level. Yeah. So what do we see here? Let's see the previous day high and low. The previous day high is somewhere around here. I'll just mark it up. And the previous day low is here. So the price has already maintained the previous low. The price has not made a new low from yesterday. So today the price has maintained the low from yesterday. So I think it's still okay to look for some buy side as long as the price is above this level. In the short term target, it could be either this target as in the area of resistance and this. So these are the two crucial points here, right? This right here and this right here. So So what's going on in one hour? In 1 hour, we can see the price has some fair value gaps, some imbalance here left to be filled, and as you can see, the price has broken the structure in 1 hour. So it looks like the price would probably go this area to take the liquidity to take the orders, and then it should come down. That's what I think with the structure. In 4 hours it's still maintained, but in 1 hour you can see the price has broken the structure very well enough. In 30 minutes you can see the same, but the price, yeah, I mean, you can say this, that the structure has been taken out as well on 30 minutes. In 15 minutes as well, yeah, the structure has been taken out, not completely, but more or less, since there is an imbalance left in 15 minutes here as well. We can potentially look for sells around this area at the time of New York Open. I might put a sell limit and the sell side liquidity is somewhere around here. So if this trade plays out, the price should at least reach this point here. So what I'll do, I'll try to minimize my risk, because you can see the price has made an imbalance here, and this is the last high. So I could potentially lower down my risk like this, maybe $40. I mean 40 ticks, 39.40. Yeah, I don't want to place any trade already, since when the market opens there's a lot of liquidity, and it could stop me out like how it did yesterday on Russell. So this would be my plan for Dow Jones. Regarding the buy side, let me figure it out. Regarding the buy side, I don't see any imbalance here. Or one more thing can happen is, wait, one more thing which could happen is the price can reject from here as well, because this is also a resistance. This here is also a resistance, but as we know that on New York Open there's a lot of liquidity and a lot of volume, so it could test this level. So I think I will plan my trade somewhere around here. Maybe I will put a limit order of 50 ticks, as we have 20 minutes for the open. Aligning to the 15 minutes as well, you can see that the price here has a good fair value, but this week right here it's a bit tricky, because this could also be tested before any further leg down. So what I mean to say, the price could either go up right here, take the imbalance, make a new low, and then make a new low, and then take the sell side liquidity, which is here. Yeah, or the price could go up higher, take the liquidity from here, and then decides to go down. These are the two scenarios that I see. So in order to execute on this trade, I would like to place like 2 trades probably, or Yeah, I could place two trades, like I can divide my risks. So I can place a trade around here, one with one contract, put my stop loss here, my TP here, and I could put one trade here as well. Stops for $250. Yeah, and my TP somewhere around here as well. So these two could be my trade on Dow Jones. Alright, so we have two trades planned. Just in case of more liquidity, I want to play safe on this one. I'm not putting two lots in the one side, so my total risk could be $500 as always. Let's see on RT. RT has the same thing. Today I took a trade on RT around this area, but I couldn't hold for long since I was not on my system. I was using my cell phone. Well, let's see. Let's see how what it is here in RT in 15 minutes, in 1 hour. I think RT looks a better sell for me as well, like for Dow Jones and RT both. So what I mean to say here, that the price has not taken the extreme structure, but the price has taken, let me delete all the markups from before. Yeah, so let's go from the weekly chart. Yeah, the price is at the support in the middle. In the daytime, you can see in the daytime frame the price is at the support level here. In 4 hours you can see the same, the price is at the support level. So there's two case on RT if I go for sell. First, it could be somewhere around here, right? Something around this corner here. Since the price has taken the structure out, you can see the price has taken the structure out, right? The price has taken another structure out here, as you can see. So we have two definite trades on sell. One here in the extreme point, which comes, I would wait for a confirmation because it's going to invalidate this high here. So I will wait for the confirmation on this trade out here, but on this one as well I would like to see some movement, some small movement confirmation on a lower time frame, like 5 minutes or 1 minute. See, this area could be a better sell option. And regarding my stops, stops are going to be okay as well. So I think I will place one trade here. Wait, somewhere around here. The stops here and take profit to the last low. Or if I increase my stops, yeah, I think I could use it. 325, it's fine. So this would be my trade for RT. I still have one more trade to plan, that I will plan after the market gets open, because I don't want to use all my bullets before the open. Generally I take trades after the market gets open around 3:30, which is 9:30 NY time. Regarding the buy side, I'll probably not be looking for it. I'll not be looking for the buys today. I don't have a bias, but well, I don't have a bias, but I would not be looking for buys, because the market is making new low after low. Well, in 5 minutes it has not made a new low, so that's something to consider. Here in 5 minutes there's not a new low. On RT, yes, on Dow Jones I cannot see any new low, but if you go in the larger time frame, well, so I think I will wait for a confirmation. I will just remove this limit order. I'll keep this one. I will just wait for a confirmation when the price comes at this point. I'm gonna divide the screen into two so that I could keep track of both of my trades. Yeah, so I would be waiting for the price to come in the extreme zone, which is here in RT. And take my profits around here if the trade plays. Yeah, so these two are going to be my trade before the market, which I don't really like, but today I'm going to try it out because it looks very good for in terms of price action. I've also been looking on Nasdaq and ES lately, but I don't think I'm gonna take any trades. So this is it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yeah, so we can see that the price is trying to reject from this level that I've marked before, but we'll wait and we'll see how the opening is. We'll wait for the market to get open and see. So these are my two trades that I've planned. The one here about the sell on Dow Jones, I will wait for any confirmation. You can see the price is consolidating in this area. Yeah, and in case if price doesn't go up this high, I'll wait for any break below this level in order to enter a sell around this area. Nasdaq also looks very good for a sell if the price reaches this area. I'll just set an alert. ES as well. I'm just monitoring these pairs. I'm not trading yet. I might take any trade today if I see any opportunity. I think I should place a trade on Dow. I will not wait for any confirmation on this one because this looks very legitimate to me, and I'm not gonna risk much. I'm just gonna risk not even 0.5%, 0.25% of my equity on this one. Well, if the market decides to fire up, then I'm gonna be clapped really bad. Not really bad. It's still, the risk is still under my radar. The amount of money that I risk every day, so it's still inside of my risk management. If the price decides to go up, cancel these highs, I will still left with one trade to take. So I'll just wait for price to play. Sorry guys if you hear any dog barking, because there is a neighbor who left his dog in his balcony and I don't know where the hell he is. So just in case if you can hear him barking. So 2 minutes for the market to get open. Let's see what we have. I'm gonna be waiting for ES as well in this area. Let's see if I plan a trade on ES, how would it be? Yeah, I think I could plan a trade on ES as well. This small stop loss. So yeah, this is this is this is it. I think um, I'll wait for the market to get open and see what goes, how it happens. So the market is on now. It's open. Let's see if it takes any trades. I'm also very closely watching this range of Dow Jones here. If the price managed to break below, I will probably put a sell. Somewhere around here. But for that I need this level to be taken out first. Only then I will be looking for anything. I think the train of RT has already departed. Not gonna give me any entry, I think. Suppose nothing as of yet. So I think that's it. So if the price breaks below this level, I'm going to put a trade here around this corner. But technically, you know what, the price, I mean the price is doing uh, the price action is very good, because as I told you that this can also be a resistance level, and I think the price has been following it pretty well. The price went up this side, showed some rejection, some indecision candle, and some good bearish movement, and then it fell down. So I think this was also a good opportunity to enter at that time. But since I don't place trades before and why, I mean if I placed like today, either it's too extreme area, I'm not going to place any trade around this corner before the open, because my stops, as you know, it's always 50 ticks. So well, I think when the price comes back up this area, I will place a sell. I can move just this one here with the stops of 300 maybe. Yep. The price is in a rush to go down. Well, I think the price is going to break this area of support, and if it does, I don't think I would enter. Depending on the market volatility, I will wait and see how how it breaks this level, because there's a huge imbalance left up in here. So I'm not going to, ignore that. Bit conflicted on this one. I think I'm not going to enter, because this I think this is manipulating the market right now, because it's coming back exactly after a rejection from this low. So I will wait. I'll wait. Technically this level should work. It's very conflicted, because look, the price, it looks like the price is getting order from here. Well, well, I will enter on this one then, just to take a chance. But I'm not very sure about this trade, since there's a lot of imbalance left in the top. It would be very inappropriate to enter around this level. Let's see what's up with the 15 minutes. 15 minutes till 6 minutes to go. Pulse is not that heavy though. This one here could work. Could work. Let's see. If this one doesn't work, I will wait for a confirmation on this side because I will not I will not be having a lot of faith on this trade, because if it cancels this area of resistance, it could potentially take these highs, because then that would be a break of structure kind of. Well, very good enough. So I think I could, this one, the candle closed, it didn't close bullish, so I think this is a good one. And even on RT, I think now I can trust on this trade, and I could move my limits a bit lower. Let's see. Let this candle close, and then I will plan. Yeah, I think this one could work. If RT managed to close below this level, I'm sure that I'm going to enter on this trade here. Let's see what's going on in the bigger time frame. Well, yeah, I think that one could work. The 5 minute structure is still maintained, so let's see. In Dow Jones, if this level breaks, it will just shoot back down till 42,500. But the bad thing about this, that the price still has to test the imbalance. It has to complete the overall imbalance which was left here. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. We don't have any control on the market. If we have to let go of this trade, we do. Just let me check if I'm streaming. Yeah. So let's see what happens. So what we see that the price has broken this level in RT and on Dow Jones. So we wait for the price to come back up. Maybe we can enter here. It's like, chasing the market, which I don't really want to, but I think this setup would work. And apparently if we don't take on this trade, then we might miss an opportunity for a good sell-off. So in case if this trade goes wrong, if this trade here goes wrong, then I will wait for the price to come back up here, show some some signs of exhaustion, and only then I will enter. I think I should go for this one as well. Here, $255 of risk on this one. And what's up with DJ? It didn't take my trade board. Cool. That doesn't look fair to me. Yeah, now it executed. Let's see how it goes. The target would be 2R. Not going to hold for long targets. Let's see in 3 minutes. I think I missed the trade on RT here. It didn't take my trade. I should remove the trade on RT. I'll wait for this and let's see what's going on ES. I think there's no hope for ES as well, so I'm going to remove. I'm going to just be with Dow Jones for now. RT could have been a good one if it reached here at the first place. But it should have, basically, with the concept that I use. but it's market, it does what it wants. So just wait to see. I think the price wants to go take this imbalance. That's what I think. Yeah, I think, yeah, it did. So let's see what happens now. Either I'm gonna get stopped out or I'll take my profit. We'll see how it goes. But I think I should get out from this trade because the price is making a new high in 1 minute. Yep. But the price is still under the pressure. This area is still valid. So let's see. I'll wait. Whatever it is. Let's see what's going on in 15 minutes. Then I'll have a clear idea on Dow Jones. Oh my god, 15 minutes. It doesn't look good. It should either come up this high, stop me out here, come up this high and fill this imbalance which was left, which was what I was potentially looking for in the first place, or it should just respect this level of resistance and just keep going down. These two cases are there on this trade, and just mark this with 2 pixels. Yep. So these two possibilities I see on this one. So if this is the case, I would place a trade sell limit here. Well, sell limit here. If this is the case, then I will go for one trade which I will place here with the stops of 300 something. 300, yep, 300 or 260 to 70, and TP would be my last low. TP would be the new low here. So in this case I will have one trade already planned. I'll wait for the confirmation on this one. So far the trade is playing very well. Could possibly make a new low. If it does, I think I will be done with 2 hour. RT and 5 minutes, it was very close to where I was planning the trade. I think I should more focus on RT these days, because RT, it gives a very quick price action, and it doesn't stays in one place. It just you know keep doing its thing. Unlike Dow Jones sometimes it gets stuck at one place, and it just makes you think that if your trade is wrong or right. But with RT, it's not like that. So I think with the $50 stop loss that I use, mostly it is it's giving me like one, 1 hour, but I will wait for my 2 hour 2.2. Look, RT, it's genius. RT just takes the trade and just plays, you know no hanging, no freezing, nothing. Well, I'm glad that the 5 minutes closed this way. Let me see if there's any other demand zone here, which I don't think so. So yeah, I think we are good to go on this one. We'll potentially achieve the target in next 5 minutes, hopefully. What's up with ES? Let me see. Still there. So yeah, guys, I think I should just put my stops to break even, since it's a trailing account. The price keeps trailing, the drawdown keeps trailing. So let me see. I'll wait for this candle closure. So it needs to break this low in order to go down. This here we have the left imbalance on the lower time frame. So if the price comes back up, it should reject from this area, make a new low like this. I'm expecting something like this. As we can also see that this area will now probably act as a resistance. This area here. need it needs to cancel this low, otherwise the price could still reverse to this level of order block, to this fair value gap. That's what I want to see. The sell side potential is higher if the price, I think the price could potentially reach this area as well, giving you a like 5 hour, but I will just take this one and call it a day, because I wanted the price to take this imbalance before any leg further down, but it didn't, so I don't have very high hopes on this one. Still, the market looks very bearish, and I think it could just, I would just be okay with 2 hour if it gives me. Otherwise, let's see. Yeah, I think the 15 minutes as well, it closed very well, you can see, but let's see. It's the market, it can do anything. Like how it's doing right now. It's like 1.5 hour trade though, but okay, we are still in the trade. Let's see what happens. Hmm. So now, as long as the trade remains under this level here, we are still safe. Oops. So it's probably going to take the liquidity from above here, from the order block. This imbalance, the price might fill this imbalance, and I think I will be interested in taking this one if this fails, because this can potentially give me a good RR, because we have now a good range of target, which is here. Let's see. So I think this trade is gonna reverse. I think it has already. So I'll wait for another opportunity on this level around here. In 5 minutes you can see the price has closed, probably it would close above this level, so this trade is invalid now. If I get a chance to close in break even, I would do it, but I don't think I would get a chance. Let's see. No, I think the trade is invalid, so I would rather close this trade than, you know, than holding it for nothing. I just closed this trade with a small loss because the trade is invalid. As you can see, the price might hit the stop loss now. Yeah, so it was potentially a good trade, you know, because look, the price, it gave you 1.5 R, which is like 1.5 R, yeah, 1.54. So if you are using accounts like Apex, or you know, the trailing drawdown accounts, you could just put it in break even, or just, you know, take 1.5 R and quit. So let's see if I get another opportunity on Dow Jones. I'll be monitoring this level around here. This is the level that I was actually interested in the first place, but since the price has taken the low from before, and you can see the price has made an engulfing candle here, I would be waiting for a confirmation. So let's see. Hmm. So yeah, I will be waiting for the price to come around this level, and I want to see any confirmation. If there is any confirmation of any failure of the bulls, I would like to enter here, but let's see. Now it's going to be time taking. Watching very closely at this level. Today's session is getting really long. Well, that's how it is sometimes. Whoa, I'm gonna sell here and take a risk of $300 maybe. Let the price come a bit higher. I don't know. Now I'm very confused because the price, I think the price got rejected from this level, and I've been waiting for the one here to the extreme level, which is also okay, but sometimes you have to see, you have to go according to the market. Like, I think I missed a trade here, just right here. Well, okay, let me see what we have. If we break below here, we can. Hmm. I think I'm gonna go for a sell right now. Or maybe I should wait if it clears the last low. Only then I will execute. I think I should close this one because now I'm thinking that the market is playing dirty. I'll just wait for the price to come back up here, or either back up here in this level so that I have my stop safe, or if it breaks below this level. So for now I'm not going to execute anything because now it's making me a bit, fear of missing out because I took a trade, it gave me 1.5 hour, I didn't close it, and then it went up to my level which I planned, but it just didn't reach the exact same place. So I should better wait for this one, which I can plan very well. If the price breaks below this level, I will use a $50 50 tick stop loss here on right here, and I could enter the trade. So I'll wait. Either either it has to be this or this. No unnecessary execution from my side. Well, I could rather just plan the trade here. Just wait for it to come. RT is following so good. Look, in 15 minutes it broke the level and the structure, and then it came to fill up the imbalance completely, more than 50%, and then it just shoot it down. It's just that my stops were not very safe on RT, is why I didn't take the trade. Otherwise it was like clean 2 hour in 15 minutes. You see, 2 hour clean, 2.5 hour. So yeah, if the price breaks below this level, I will try to get a trade on around here in this area, which could which could be which could work. Well, we have 4 minutes remaining for this one to close. I will not execute as long as the price is above this level. It needs to close down below. So I think no trade for me for now. Let's see if I get any opportunities later. In SP you can see that the price here, let me see what's going on with SP. Well, if SP breaks below, I could just execute here because it looks very authentic for sell, and it has got a huge target though. Yeah, so I will wait for SP to close below, and I would probably wait for this level here to test, and could potentially look for a sell around this area. The risk would be around $500, but for that it needs to close below, so we'll wait. Russell was the opportunity trade. Russell again, let me see what's going on with Russell. It has broken the low, that's true. Okay, so is the price has broken the structure as well, yes, and then the price can go up till here and give a potential like sell for the $5, 5 ticks, 50 ticks. Yeah, so I think I could go with the sell on this one because this looks okay to me. No drama, at least like Dow Jones. Having to put my stops for $250, 500 would be my take profit. So yeah, I think this is okay. In 15 minutes, let's see what's going on. Good. 30 minutes as well. 3 minutes as well could work. Yeah. So I think this would be my trade on RT. A bit more down, maybe here to $60, or maybe I'll just cover up the high, $300. Yeah. So if this works, we good. About Dow Jones, I will wait for any break below or the price to come back up this level. Pretty boring today, and the news is scheduled to come out in 2 hours, 1 hour and a half. Well, in this case, I don't think I would take any trade below this because the price has not left any imbalance. So I don't think I will enter if the price breaks below because there's no imbalance left in 5 minutes. You see, there's no imbalance, so I don't have any entry in this case. So I think today that's it. I had one trade, one BE. And that's it, because the price is stuck at this place. If it breaks below, I don't know, maybe the price will uh, reach this level here. Price failed to fill the imbalance as well. There's a lot of room left here in 4 hours. 1 hour was okay, 30 minutes was also okay, 15 minutes the price didn't fill up the imbalance completely, so I have a doubt on this one. Even in 5 minutes you see the price has not filled up the imbalance completely. I think something similar happened yesterday. If you see, yes, the imbalance was left, the price broke below this level and then it escalated. So I think I'll just call it a day and look for some other opportunities tomorrow. Let's see what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is NFP, yes, of course, first Friday of every month. That's it. Unemployment rate, Michigan consumer sentiments. That's it. So tomorrow, I don't know if I will trade, but oh, Thursday in this it doesn't show anything. No, not tomorrow. Not on Friday. Tomorrow there's no news. Sorry. On Friday we have no non-farm, of course. So tomorrow we don't have any news. So I think tomorrow can be a good opportunity for us. I'm still holding on to this trade of RT. If the price comes above, I would like to enter. On Dow Jones, it failed me because the price uh, didn't finish the the unfilled gap was not filled. This gap here, the price didn't fill this gap, so that's it for me. I took a good trade though. It was like 1.5 hour, but I didn't close, and that's okay. That's what happens, you don't trade for 1 hour. I mean, trading for 1 hour is useless unless you have a good win rate. It's not, very beneficial. Minimum, I suggest like 2 hour minimum. If you can get three, it's the best thing. 3 hour, you will just need like 30 40%, 30% win rate to be profitable. So I think that's it for today. So guys, see you tomorrow, same time and same place. Have a good day.